Office Fusion is the software platform for all integrating geospatial data in a single environment, from TPS, GNSS up to scanner data sensor file. It offers a native easiness with both basic and advanced tools for the needs of AV professionals. The software can be customized with models dedicated to topography, CAD, surface and volume, photogrammetry, and other point cloud. Let's see how to import a dataset from the BLK2GO into the software with the XScanNext module. If you want to import a single scan and work in local coordinates, we can select point cloud from Start menu, then select BLK2GO format. From this menu, we have also the possibility to recalculate the trajectory carried out in field. If you want instead to align multiple scans, we can go directly to the dedicated menu for the point clouds and here choose scan registration. In this case, we have several options to import a file. We can download the B2G format file by connecting the instrument on the BLK Data Manager or directly dragging here a previously loaded file. At this point, we can use import to proceed directly with the manual registration or select import and register if you want instead to use an automatic calculation. With this option, a good overlapping between the scan is needed. XScanNext is the unique module of Office Fusion, which does not stop a scan registration, but allows us to directly manage this data in the software. Working with the 3 data is now easier than ever, from importing the point clouds to align it, up to drawing and analysis with a dedicated management tool. For example, like here, we can create a drawing section directly from point cloud in just a few steps. All imported or created file will be visible and manageable through the project manager at the top left side of the screen. This allows you to directly have all the operation under control with the possibility of viewing or hiding individual data. For other dedicated videos to point cloud, remind you that the dedicated video tutorials are available on the XPAT 365 platform. Don't stop here, but visit our website.